Structure of the Rigveda. The Rigveda is not just a book. It is a perfectly organized library of ancient sound. Every verse, every word, every note has its place. To understand its wisdom, we must first understand its structure. The Rigveda is divided into 10 mandalas, 10 books. Think of each mandala as a chapter of a grand epic. And together, they form the complete Rigveda. Inside each mandala, we find suktas, hymns. A sukta is a collection of verses dedicated to a specific deity or theme. Some suktas praise the fire god Agni, others glorify Indra's strength. Some call upon the dawn, and others explore the mystery of creation. Within each sukta are the Riks, the verses themselves. These Riks are the heart of the Rigveda. Short, powerful bursts of poetry that have been preserved for thousands of years. Every Rik has a rhythm, a melody, and a precise arrangement of words. The flow looks like this: Rigveda, Mandala, Sukta, Rik. From the grand whole to the sacred verse. But the Rigveda is not just read, it is performed. Its preservation depends on the recitation tradition, an unbroken chain of oral transmission from teacher to student. The most common form is Samhitapatha, the continuous chanting of verses in their natural order. Then comes Padapatha, breaking each word apart, so nothing is lost in the flow. Kramapatha follows, linking words in sequence to reinforce memory. And at the peak is Ganapatha, a complex weaving of words forward and backward, ensuring that errors cannot survive. This structure is not just about organization, it is about protection. By arranging the Rigveda in this way, and reciting it through these methods, the ancient sages made sure it would remain unchanged for millennia. Even today, when a student learns the Rigveda, they do not simply read from a page. They chant, they breathe with the verse, they feel the meter in their body, and in doing so, they become part of the tradition. This is the structure of the Rigveda. 10 mandalas, hundreds of suktas, thousands of riks, and a living oral tradition that keeps it alive. In the next part, we will meet the deities and themes of the Rigveda. From the ever-burning Agni to the vast waters of Varuna, from the thunder of Indra to the gentle light of Ushas. Each has a place in the Rigveda's sacred design, and each speaks to a truth that is still alive today. If this journey inspires you, save this video, share it with another seeker, and subscribe for the next chapter. Your support keeps this ancient song alive.